Welcome to Nova Scotia. We made it to Canada.
Fooled them again.
What?
I got to turn on kilometers. We're gonna end up going to a Costco or a Walmart or something like that and hanging out until tomorrow morning, where we jump on a ferry, get over to Nova Scotia, save ourselves a little bit of a drive. Like,
Bam, bam, and done.
where we stand in this thing.
Yeah.
Of course.
The Bay of Fundy does what?
The Bay of Fundy moves, what did I say?
I think you said 320 billion?
with the B tons of water every day. So it's 160 billion tons for low tide and then high tide. It's a large enough flow to change the direction of rivers.
Yeah.
And specifically 320 billion tons of water is more flow than all the rivers on the planet combined.
Yeah.
The largest tidal swings in the world.
It's pouring.
I'm coming.
What happened?
I just wanted to see if you needed any help. Oh, you're recording me.
Yeah.
Hello, everybody.
Okay. You have to go to the bathroom or something?
No, I wanted to see if you needed any help because I'm a gentleman.
Here, you can lock the door. Okay, let's go.
You first.
Okay. Treasure.
Treasure hunters. Oak Island is a popular TV show, apparently. We've never seen it.
It's also a documentary based on treasure from the late 1700s. There's an X that marks the spot on the island where the money pit is located. But unfortunately, all 5,000 tickets that they issue.
Are you making that up? She said 5,000?
I'm pretty sure.
Pretty sure or yes?
Yes. All the tickets that they issue, there's a limited quantity, sold out within an hour for the 2019 season. So that leaves us to wonder what the tour is all about.
What's down in the money pit? So in Canada, they end up setting up these red chairs that have extraordinary views, and this one does not disappoint. In front of the Atlantic Ocean, got some seals. Not bad.
The ground. It's supposed to be like that? That's crazy.
Abracadabra.
Yeah.
You see the water? It's cold, but it looks like it's the Caribbean. Skyline Trail. Our first hike on the Cabot Trail. Supposedly the #1 hiking trail, and there's already a ton of people. Might have some moose here. That was the rumor. Hello. Trail guy said that there was a moose here. This trail is 5.7 miles long, but since that moose is here, they might have closed down the bottom part.
It's proof that the moose were here.
We're on a moose hunt.
Let's go find the moose.
Mimi, this is moose droppings. The other one kind of looked like a cow. This one looks like a deer. Moose is the largest member of the deer family. Cool thing about being out here, the absolute dead silence.
So we just finished our hike, saw a beautiful coastline, saw some pilot whales, but unfortunately didn't see any moose. They're definitely around, but not today. Cabot Trail, where the mountain meets the sea. Anyone can do this hike, easy, so beautiful. Here we are traveling to Meat Cove. It's a very, very top of the island of Cape Breton.
We just went from a extremely paved and semi-decent road to not at all, and now we're just dodging potholes. We were advised to not have the trailer with us, but we saw that there was a RV park at the end of this trail, thinking, hell, it might be one of the best spots to park the RV and take some photos. So far, so good. Beautiful scenery, and glad we're doing this, but we'll see. We'll see how it is when we get there. And after about 3 more miles of this.
It's cold here. They're not open.
It's beautiful.
It was worth the drive.
The road isn't too bad, too. They do a pretty good job paving the road on the extreme uphills, so you don't throw as many rocks as you would think. Waterfall in the way distance, a couple coves here, and there's plenty of fishing boats with lobster traps going all around. So, don't know the history of Meat Cove, but maybe it's because they get a lot of lobster meat here. So we make it to this fort place. Huge. I don't even know when it was built at this point.
We don't
but,
know yet.
we went to the information center, paid, got our little like information pamphlet of what's open, and we're like, okay, cool, let's just jump over to this next building. And I'm like, do I knock? What do I do? I just walked in, and there's someone dressed in the garb telling you about the house and who they are and all that. Wasn't expecting it at all.
But they're actors. They're playing in their time.
Yeah. Cool experience. Never done anything like this before, so we'll go try to find more people. Ooh, nice and warm in here.
Of course, I'm a good servant. Do you need a servant?
Oh, I'd love a servant.
Do you have money?
No. Zero money.
I must well stay here, right?
It's for death when that happens.
Wipe the pan first. Close the prison. Pressure going down the muzzle. And we can't turn there. We're all ready to fire now. So I'm going to point the gun in the direction of the chimneys. 1, 2, 3. You take this to make sure there is nothing left inside. That's called springing the gun. Black powder residue, what I told you guys about, that's what it looks like. Now watch this.
Oh wow.
Fortress Lewisburg.
Fortress Lewisburg. Worth it.
Oh.
Was that like?
That was like a raccoon that just like held his pose and just fell over. That's
Anyways,
gross. So now we're heading to Bay of Fundy.
World's highest tides. The record tide is about a 50-foot drop. The cool thing, if we can get it worked out, is the tidal bores. For those of you who aren't familiar with what they are, it's a wave that comes in as the tide is coming back in, you're actually riding waves with it coming in.
Nova Scotia!
Hey, you need a ride?
Yeah, I need a ride.
Why are you recording me when you're talking?
Yeah, I need a ride.